How to redeem SoFi Credit Card rewards to bank account. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to redeem SoFi Credit Card rewards directly into your bank account. In this quick guide, we'll walk you step by step through the process of turning your earned rewards into cash in just a few taps. SoFi makes it easy to redeem your credit card rewards. With just few steps, you can transfer your points directly into your linked bank account, giving you immediate access to your rewards as cash. First, open the SoFi mobile app on your smartphone. Log in using your SoFi account credentials to access your account dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the credit card section. Here, select the rewards option to view your available rewards balance. Next, tap on Redeem Rewards. When prompted, choose the option labeled Deposit to Bank Account as your redemption method. Confirm that the linked bank account details are correct. Review the award you want to redeem to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding. Finally, tap Confirm to complete the redemption. Your rewards will be deposited directly into your bank account, typically within 1 to 2 business days. And that's it! You have successfully redeemed your SoFi credit card rewards into your bank account. This convenient feature lets you access your rewards quickly and effortlessly. Thanks for following along with this guide.